What is intellectual property? Intellectual property, IP, refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. Intellectual property is protected in law, for example, patents, copyright and trademarks, which enable people to earn recognition or financial benefit from what they invent or create. By striking the right balance between the interests of innovators and the wider public interest, the IP system aims to foster an environment in which creativity and innovation can flourish. Types of trademark in India. The Trademarks Act, 1999, allows the registration of various types of trademarks such as word marks, service marks, collective marks, certification marks, series marks, logos, symbols and many other. Number 1. Word marks. Word marks are the most common types of trademarks that are registered in India. These refer to any marks that are used to identify the products and services of a trading company or service providing company. If the name of your product or service is text-based, contains text only, it will be registered under word marks. For example, the word Nestle registered trademark symbol is registered as a word mark. Number 2. Service marks. Service marks represent the service which a company or business deals in. They distinguish different services available in the market and is filed under trademark classes 35 to 45. For example, FedEx is a registered courier delivery service provider. Number 3. Logos and symbols. A logo is a printed painted figure design character and do not consist of any letters, words, numerals. For word marks that are also used as a logo, the trademark needs to be registered both as a word mark and a device marks. In India, the registration for both these aspects can be made in a single application. For example, Apple has a registered logo which is used on each of their products. Number 4. Shape of goods. The shape of goods are categorized in trade dress, appearance of a product, wherein, other than a logo or label, a product can also be distinguished based on its packaging. For example, the bottle of Coca-Cola is distinguished from other brands on the basis of its bottle's shape. Number 5. Series marks. Service marks are trademarks which have a common syllable, prefix or suffix, thus denoting as a family of marks sharing a common name. They should differ only as to matters of non-distinctive characters, goods, price, quality or size. For example, McDonald's have a series of MC registered as word mark which represents their different product range such as MC Chicken, MC Veggie, etc. Number 6. Collective trademarks. These marks are linked with a group of people and not one single product or service. These trademarks are primarily owned by an organization, institutes or any association. They can be used by members of the organization to represent them as one the part. They are badges of origin, which indicates the specific source of the individual, his/her products and services. For example, a chartered accountant can use the CA device as he is a registered member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants. Number 7. Certification mark. The certification mark is created to show a specific quality standard that the company has met. This means that the public will be aware that the trader's goods or services are certified as it has met a particular standard, as defined by the certifying body that owns the certification mark. Certification marks are used to define standard of goods and services. For example, FSSAI certification for the quality of packaged food products. Indian Standards Institute. Number 8. Geographical indicators. A geographical indication is used on products to show the unique nature, reputation and quality. The products possess based on the place of origin. Geographical indicators are awarded by the GI registry and is granted to natural, agricultural, manufactured and handicraft products that come from a specific geographical origin. Number 9. New area, emerging area. Smell or fragrance. Traditional knowledge. Pattern mark. Pattern marks are those products that have specific designed patterns that come out as the distinguishing factor of the product. Patterns which fail to stand out as a remarkable mark is generally rejected since it does not serve any purpose. For a pattern to be registered, it has to show evidence of its uniqueness. Sound mark. Sound mark is a sound that can be associated with a product or service originating from a certain supplier. To be able to register a sound mark, when people hear the sound, they easily identify that service or product or shows that the sound represents. Sound logos are called as audio mnemonic and is most likely to appear at the beginning or end of a commercial. The most popular sound mark in India is the tune for IPL. Thank you for watching our video.